hybridization. Hybridization. So when we talk about the hybridization, hybridization is intermixing of atomic orbitals. So we can define hybridization as intermixing of atomic orbital is known as hybridization. So whenever atomic orbitals intermix to each other, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals. When two atomic orbitals intermix together, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals. Only those atomic orbitals involved in hybridization which have equivalent energy. Equivalent energy means their energy should be same, should be matchable. There should not be very large difference between the energy of orbitals. If energy difference will be large, in that case intermixing of atomic orbital will not take place, and if there will be no mixing of atomic orbital, in that case hybridization will not be there. So hybridization is intermixing of atomic orbitals, and the criteria for intermixing of atomic orbital is they should have equivalent energy. Second point is hybridization takes place inside the atom. It never takes place in molecule. Hybridization takes place in atom. When two atoms approach each other to make chemical bond, in that case intermixing of atomic orbitals takes place, and this intermixing of atomic orbital is called hybridization. Whenever atomic orbital hybridize, intermix together, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals are equal in shape and energy. Two atomic orbitals on overlapping produces two hybrid orbitals of same shape and energy. Hybridization is neither exothermic nor endothermic reaction. In case of hybridization, neither heat energy is evolved nor heat energy is absorbed, only redistribution of energy takes place. So we cannot say that hybridization is exothermic or endothermic. Hybridization is a hypothetical concept. It is not experimental concept, it is hypothetical concept. To explain the geometry and the structure of molecule, this hybridization concept came in existence. So hybridization is a hypothetical concept. Whenever hybridization takes place, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals, and with these hybrid orbitals, orbitals of other atoms overlap and results in formation of molecule. So on this basis we can classify hybridization into following types. Following types of hybridizations are there: sp hybridization, second one is sp2 hybridization, third one is sp3 hybridization, sp3d, sp3d2, these are the types of hybridization. When we say sp hybridization, in this hybridization 1s and 1p atomic orbitals intermix together. 1s and 1p atomic orbitals hybridize together, intermix together. This one is s, this one is p orbitals. When they intermix, hybridize, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals involve in bond formation. So when 1s and 1p will intermix together, there will be formation of two hybrid orbitals. Two hybrid orbitals will form of same shape and same energy. Now next is sp2 hybridization. In case of sp2 hybridization, 1s and 2p atomic orbitals intermix together. In case of sp2 hybridization, when we say sp2 hybridization, in that case 1s and two p orbital px and py intermixed together. Suppose this one is one s orbital, px orbital and plus py orbital. So when s, px and py will intermix together, then it results in formation of hybrid orbital. So there will be formation of hybrid orbital. So when one s, one px and one py means one s and 2p intermix together, then it results in formation of three hybrid orbital. It results in formation of three hybrid orbital. This is the shape of one hybrid orbital. Remaining two will also have the same shape. Energy of all the hybrid orbitals will be same. This kind of hybridization is called sp2 hybridization, and in case of sp2 hybridization, bond angle remains 120 degree. The bond angle will remain 120 degree, and here angle between the orbital will also be 120 degree. Next we talk about the sp3 hybridization. In case of sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3p orbital will intermix together. So if we talk about the sp3 hybridization, then in sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3p orbital px plus py plus pz will intermix together. If you see the shape, 1x plus px plus py plus pz, these three orbitals will intermix together. This one is s, this is px, this one is py and this one is pz. S plus px plus py plus pz. So when they intermix together, then it results in formation of hybrid orbitals. This is sp3 hybridization. In this case, there is formation of hybrid orbital. So how many hybrid orbitals will form here? You can see 1s, 1p, px, py, pz, means 3p and 1s is intermixing. So total number of atomic orbitals are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 atomic orbitals are there. So when all these 4 atomic orbitals intermix together, then it will result in formation of 4 hybrid orbitals. Shape of each hybrid orbital will be this one, and energy of all the hybrid orbitals will be same. So this is tetrahedral structure. In this tetrahedral structure, the bond angle, or we may say angle between the orbital lobe, will be 109 degree 28 minute. 109 degree 28 minute. Next is sp3 dehybridization. In sp3 hybridization, there will be intermixing of one s, px, py, pz and dz square. These orbitals will interact together, intermix together, and will result in formation of hybrid orbital. And the shape of this hybrid orbital will be this will be the shape of hybrid orbital on intermixing of s, px, py and pz. I show you here this sp3d hybridization. So here there will be s plus px plus py plus pz plus dz square. So we will draw the shape of each one. If we draw the shape, then px will have shape This one is px, py, pz, this one is dz square. This is dz square. This one is s orbital, this one is px, this is py, this one is pz, and this one is dz square. When all they intermix together, then it results in formation of hybrid orbital of this shape. This will be the hybrid orbitals. So this is sp3 dehybridization. So how many hybrid orbitals will form? When one s, one px, py, pz and dz square. If we count the total number of atomic orbital, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number of atomic orbital is 5. So number of hybrid orbital will also be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lobes are there. This is one hybrid orbital. Such 5 hybrid orbitals will form with the same energy and shape. Shape will be same, energy will be same, and this hybridization is called sp3 dehybridization. And in case of sp3 hybridization, shape is trigonal pyramidal. Shape is trigonal pyramidal. This shape will be known as trigonal pyramidal. Next we come sp3d2. Next hybridization will be sp3d2. So in case of sp3d2 hybridization, px, py, pz, dz square and one more atomic orbital dx square minus y square will overlap. That is dx square y square will overlap, dz square and dx square y square in case of sp3d2, and then it will result in formation of hybrid orbital So this hybrid orbital is known as sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Shape of this will be octahedral or square pyramidal. It will be octahedral or square bipyramidal. Pyramidal. So this was the hybrid orbitals, types of hybridization. Next, in the next lecture, tomorrow lecture, we are going to discuss the method by which we can determine the hybridization.